Hello everyone, my name is Ramasri Rai. Welcome at Captain Batra classes. So guys, today I will pronounce lots of words. So just listen each words carefully, okay? Today's first word is beautiful. So guys, repeat after me. This is the word beautiful. So just repeat after me, beautiful. Normally लोग क्या कहते हैं? Beautiful. This is a wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is beautiful. So repeat after me, beautiful, right? How beautiful you are. She's a beautiful. She's a very beautiful, right? I met a beautiful lady. I think you also met a beautiful girl, right? तो आप कैसे बोलेंगे? Beautiful नहीं कहेंगे, beautiful. So repeat after me. So guys, repeat after me. Don't listen only. Just speak and repeat after me. Then you will improve your pronunciation. So again you say beautiful, right? So if I repeat once, always keep in your mind, you have to repeat 10 times. And if I repeat twice, then you have to repeat 20 times. Then you will be able to use outside, okay? So the next word is, this is what? So you first pronounce atmosphere. Normally लोग क्या pronounce करते हैं? Atmosphere. No, this is not atmosphere. This is atmosphere. So repeat after me, atmosphere. Again you repeat, atmosphere. Again you repeat, atmosphere. So the atmosphere of this coaching is very good. So I want good English speaking atmosphere. If you get good English speaking atmosphere, then you'll speak very good English, right? So guys, repeat after me, atmosphere, not atmosphere, okay? This is not atmosphere, this is atmosphere, okay? So repeat once again, atmosphere. So guys, repeat again and again and again and again, okay? So next word is benefit. So what is this? Repeat after me, benefit. So guys, if you speak more, if you pronounce many times, definitely you will be benefited. So I'm working for my benefit and you are learning for your benefit, and everyone is working for his benefits, okay? She's working for her benefit, he's working for his benefit, and we are working for our benefit, okay? So repeat many times. All right, so next word is bicycle. Guys, this is what? Bicycle. Again you repeat, bicycle. Repeat after me, bicycle, right? So guys, I love bicycle very much. I love bicycling very much. I like cycling very much. So do you like bicycle? Yes, I like bicycle. I like to ride bicycle very much, okay? So I love it very much. If you ride bicycle, then definitely it would be good for your health. See me, I do cycling every day. I use bicycle every day, okay? So the next word is capital. All right, capital को हम कई तरीके से यूज करते हैं. Capital means राजधानी भी होता है, like Delhi is our capital. Delhi is capital of India, right? And Lucknow is capital of Uttar Pradesh. Capital means income भी होता है, money भी होता है. So if you want more capital, then you have to work more, okay? So you repeat many times after me, okay? So this is what? This is what, guys, century. So repeat after me, century. I know that Sachin Tendulkar makes so many centuries. Okay, now we are living in 21st century. All right. So the next word is character. What is this, guys? Character. Repeat after me, character. So improve your character. I'm improving my character. Everyone is improving his character. He's improving her character. She's improving her character. Everyone has to improve his character. So repeat after many times, okay? Next one is, guys, citizen. What is this? Citizen. The citizens of India are very cooperative. They are very loving. They are very cooperative. What is this, guys? Civilized. So guys, repeat after me, civilized. How civilized we are. How civilized he is. How civilized she is. How civilized your friends are. How civilized your family is, right? We are civilized. Everyone should be civilized. Okay, so repeat many times, then your pronunciation will be good. Okay, so the next word is confidence. So repeat after me, confidence. Again you repeat, confidence. Repeat after me, confidence. If you have confidence, you can do everything. So if you speak more, definitely your confidence level will increase. So increase your confidence. If you speak more, if you communicate more, then your confidence level will be high. Okay, so the next word is dangerous. So repeat after me. Repeat after me, dangerous. How dangerous he is. Okay, I think this route is dangerous. That person is very dangerous. How dangerous he is. How dangerous she is. How dangerous you are, and how dangerous I am. No, I'm sorry, I'm not dangerous. I'm a very simple person, okay? All right. So this is what once. Once I made one a very strong person. Once I made my favorite hero. Once I made a very that handsome person. Once I made a very beautiful girl. Once I made a very beautiful woman. आप कुछ भी बोल दो. Repeat after me, okay? So now next one, upon. Upon, आप जानते हैं? Upon. Repeat after me, upon. The tiger. Repeat after me. The tiger attacked. The tiger jumped upon the deer. The tiger jumped upon the deer. Upon भी कहते हैं, sprang भी कहते हैं. Sprang का मतलब होता है झपट्टा मारना, right? So the next word is time. So what is this, guys? Time. So you must utilize your time. Time is everything. Save your time. Don't waste your time. If you waste your time, then definitely time will waste you. So utilize time. Give importance to your time. Time is everything. Okay. So the next word is kingdom. Okay. You know that all the kings were living in kingdom, right? So kings love to live in kingdom, right? Okay. Now this is what of. This is not of. This is of. For an example, I am telling you कि कभी लिखा था पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. क्या लिखा है? पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, ना कि पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. अब आप देखिए, इसमें मैंने ऑफ नहीं बोला है, मैंने बोला है अब. पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. सो राइट, माय अकाउंट इज इन पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. ऑलराइट, सो ऑफ नहीं अब होगा. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज व्हाट बॉट. सो रिपीट आफ्टर मी, bought. Again you repeat, bought. You know, I bought this chalk yesterday and I bought my mobile before 2 years, right? I bought a bicycle before 1 month. I bought, you know, that a new scooty for my father before 5 months. I bought it. I bought it. Repeat after me, bought. Bought. Okay, great. Now this is what and. We pronounce both and. Well, I came here and I started taking class. I and you both are good friends. You and I are good friends. I and you are learning communication. I and you are learning spoken English, right? So and भी होता है, है? You and I, you and I, you and I, you and I, right? Like this you have to practice. Okay, this is what sold. You know, I had a bike and I sold it before 2 years. My father sold, I had a house and he sold that house before 5 years. Okay, I sold my bicycle. I sold my old bicycle and I bought a new one, like that. Next one is, guys, this is what call. So guys, don't disturb me. Somebody is calling me. Okay, guys, I will call you back again after 5 minutes. Now I'm busy. So I'm sorry, I cannot receive anyone's call because I'm talking with you, right? So for me, you are very important. That person is not important who is online, right? Okay guys, I will call you back again. So wait, I'm chatting with my students, right? So call ना कि call, right? कुछ बच्चे कहते हैं ना सर मेरा कॉल आ गया है, कभी कभी क्लास चलता रहता है तो बच्चे पूछते हैं सर मेरा कॉल आ गया है मुझे जाना पड़ेगा, तो मैं बोल देता हूं भैया जिसका कॉल आ जाए उसे कौन रोक सकता है, राइट? तो कॉल नहीं आता है, कॉल आता है, right? Somebody is calling me, I'm going to call my friend. I think guys, if you have any problem you can call me, and if I have any problem then I will also call you, okay? Like that. So this is there, write down, pronounce call, not call, right? This is what company. So guys, repeat company. I'm going to work in a company. I'm working in a very famous company, right? So you repeat this word many times. So the next word is another, right? I don't want this chalk, give me another chalk. This is not working, this is not working, give me another chalk, right? I don't want this mobile, give me another mobile, another, right? Like that. So next one is what? He. So pronounce after me, he. He is good boy. He is very hardworking. He's coming, he's beating, he's crying, he's trying, he's sleeping. Make lots of sentences. All right, this is what? Two. I have 2 chalks. And how many you have? Sir, I also have 2 chalks. I have 2 mobiles. Do you have? Yes, sir, I have also 2 mobiles. 2, right? Like that. Okay, next one is that own. So, follow me guys. I'm telling you all these things for your own good. For your own good. For your own good, right? So, repeat many times. Alright, so this is what there. दोनों का प्रोनाउंस सेम होता है, THEIR, ये भी सेम होता है, pronunciation is same, there and THERE both. So repeat after me, there, right? Go there, right? He's coming from there, right? Go there. They are helping their friends, THEIR, they are helping their friends. They are helping their friends. They are doing their job. They are doing their work. You are doing your work. They are doing their work. Okay? So repeat like this many times. Next, this is about grand. So guys, repeat after me, grand. How grand you are. How grand this studio is. How grand this building is. How grand you are. How grand I am. How grand. You all are grand. What a grand personality. Repeat many times like that, okay? So guys, don't listen, just repeat after me, right? If I speak once, I have told you many times, then you speak 10 times, okay? All right, this is about living. Okay, you know, everyone is living happily. Some people are living happily, some people are living, some people are living with a sad mood, some people are living melancholy, right? Everyone is living according to his own will, right? She is living according to her own style. I'm living according to my style. And they are living according to their style. Everybody has their own living. All right. So this is what among, right? So, you know that I am among many people. I'm working among many people and many people are helping me. So I'm working among so many people, right? Next one is ball. You know, ball means जानते हैं आप कटोरा होता है. I take a bowl of milk every day. I take a bowl of rice milk every day. Means rice milk समझते हैं, खीर होता है. Bowl, right? This is a bowl, not bowl, right? This is a bowl, right? So then the last word is WOMEN. This is what? Women. Repeat after me. Women. Again you repeat women. Again you repeat women. Again you repeat women, right? So guys, pronounce many times the women of India, right? The women are just coming. Many women are working here, right? So you can pronounce women. Singular hoga to woman, plural hoga to women. So guys, I pronounce all these words and you also make an effort, try to pronounce many times. So guys, thank you very much for this pronunciation. Now let's go for the next chapter, okay? So guys, now I will discuss you about use of has to, have to and had to, right? So simply I will tell you about has to and have to and I will give you some examples of had to. तो सामान्य तौर पे हमें देखते हैं कि has to, have to का प्रयोग बाध्यता को दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है. Simply I would like to explain कि has to और have to का प्रयोग कंपल्सन, बाउंडेशन और बाध्यता को दिखाता है, राइट। अगर मैंने कह दिया कि यू हैव टू वर्क, इसका मतलब कि अगर आप नहीं इस काम को करते हैं तो एक्शन विल बी टेकन अगेंस्ट यू, राइट। अगर फादर ने कहा कि यू हैव टू गो देयर, इसका मतलब है कि आपको जाना ही पड़ेगा, पत्थर पड़े चाहे पानी पड़े, राइट। यू हैव टू फॉलो माई ऑर्डर, यू हैव टू फॉलो योर बॉस ऑर्डर, राइट। That soldiers have to follow military officers order, it means they have to follow, there is no other option, right. So there are so many examples. You have to practice, and with the practice you have to learn. Okay, now you have to go there. Suppose that your father, if I say, if anyone your senior will say you have to go there, so simply you have to go there means you have to, right. So the next sentence is she has to work 10 hours. If she wants to get selection in CDS, if she wants to become an IAS officer, if she wants to become a doctor, she has to work 10 hours. She has to work 10 hours. उसे 10 घंटे काम करना ही पड़ेगा और कोई रास्ता नहीं है, right? Now you have to follow me if you want to become a fluent speaker. If you want to become a good speaker, you have to follow me, right? Now they have to work fast. If they want to achieve their target, they have to work fast, right? Now we have to respect time. If you want to get something in your life, you have to respect time. So you have to respect time, right? So next one, अब देखिए, we have to practice it with the help of conversational style. हम भाषा में conversation कैसे करेंगे, this we have to learn. Same strategy जैसा मैंने पहले बताया था. जैसे मान लीजिए कोई मिस्टर राहुल हैं, तो जैसे मान लीजिए मैं कोई मिलिट्री ऑफिसर हूं या मैं ऑफिसर हूं, तो मैं कहूंगा मिस्टर राहुल. मैं क्या बोलूंगा? मिस्टर राहुल. अब राहुल कहेंगे यस सर. फिर मैं उनको क्या बोलूंगा कि मैं बोलूंगा यू हैव टू कम ऑन टाइम. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, मिस्टर राहुल यस सर, यू हैव टू कम ऑन टाइम. अब राहुल कहेंगे ओके सर. मींस उसमें कुछ और नहीं, ओके के सिवाय कोई रास्ता ही नहीं. यू हैव टू, यू हैव टू, यू हैव टू, नथिंग मोर, राइट. फिर नेक्स्ट है, मैंने कहा मिस्टर अविनाश. कोई लड़के का नाम है, क्लास में बैठा है या हमारे पास है. मैंने कहा मिस्टर अविनाश. मिस्टर अविनाश बोलेंगे यस सर. अगर इफ ही इज military man, then he will say yes sir. फिर मैंने कहा कि you have to run 5 kilometers daily. मैंने कहा I'm a military officer. मैंने कहा you have to run 5 kilometers daily at least. Yes sir, right? या okay sir, और कोई रास्ता नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, फिर किसी नाम, बच्चे का नाम है रिंकू. मैंने कहा मिस्टर रिंकू. रिपीट आफ्टर मी गाइज, आपको भी ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करना होगा. मिस्टर रिंकू. तो बोलेंगे क्या? यस सर. फिर मैं क्या बोलूंगा? यू हैव टू गिव टेस्ट. मींस सपोज दैट ही डज नॉट वांट टू गिव टेस्ट, तो मैं बोलूंगा मिस्टर रिंकू. बोलेगा यस सर. फिर बोलूंगा यू हैव टू गिव टेस्ट, तो बोलेगा ओके सर. बिकॉज नहीं टेस्ट देगा तो वी विल फाइन हिम, वी विल पनिश हिम. ही नोज वेल, राइट. फिर मैंने कहा मिस्टर राम. मान लीजिए किसी का नाम राम है. मैंने कहा मिस्टर राम, तो राम बोलेंगे यस सर, राइट, यस सर. फिर मैं बोलूंगा यू हैव टू फॉलो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. फिर मैं बोलूंगा मिस्टर राम. बोलेंगे यस सर, यू हैव टू फॉलो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, तो बोलेंगे यस सर, ओके सर, श्योर सर, डेफिनेटली सर, ऑफ कोर्स सर. ओके. फिर मैंने कहा मिस्टर शिव. किसी बच्चे का नाम है, मैंने कहा मिस्टर शिव, तो बोलेगा यस सर. फिर मैं बोलूंगा यू हैव टू थिंक मोर एंड मोर, यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट योर फ्यूचर, तो मिस्टर शिव बोलेंगे ओके सर, श्योर सर, व्हाई नॉट सर. ओके. फिर मैंने कहा मिस्टर अतुल. किसी बच्चे का नाम मान लीजिए अतुल है, तो मैंने कहा मिस्टर अतुल. मिस्टर अतुल बोलेगा यस सर. फिर मैं बोलूंगा यू हैव टू डांस. मान लीजिए कोई प्रोग्राम है, भाई यू हैव टू डांस मींस यू हैव नो ऑप्शन, यू हैव टू डांस, तो मैं डांस करना ही पड़ेगा, कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है, राइट, लाइक दैट. सो फिर मैंने कहा, फिर मिस रागनी. किसी बच्ची का नाम है, किसी लड़की का नाम है, मिस रागनी, यस सर. फिर मैं बोलूंगा कि यू हैव टू पास सीरियस एग्जाम. मिस रागनी, यस सर, यू हैव टू पास सीरियस एग्जाम, ओके सर, श्योर सर, राइट. फिर मैंने कहा मिस राधा. किसी बच्ची का नाम है, मैंने कहा मिस राधा, बोलेंगे यस सर। देन मैंने कहा यू हैव टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली, मैंने कहा मिस राधा, मान लीजिए कोई बच्ची पढ़ रही है, मैंने कहा मिस राधा यू हैव टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली। ओ यस सर, व्हाई नॉट सर, आई विल स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली सर। फिर मैंने कहा कि मिस्टर शिवम यू हैव टू फॉलो मी, मैंने कहा मिस्टर शिवम यस सर यू हैव टू फॉलो मी। अब बता देता हूं आपको यूज ऑफ हैड टू। हैड टू का मतलब होता है पास्ट की बाध्यता। जैसे मैंने कहा कि आई हैड टू फॉलो माई टीचर्स ऑर्डर। व्हेन आई वाज स्टडीइंग इन 9th क्लास एंड 10th क्लास, आई हैड टू फॉलो माई टीचर्स ऑर्डर, आई हैड टू फॉलो माई parents order, I had to attend 5 lectures every day, I had to get up early in the morning because my father used to give me prasad, you know prasad, my father used to beat me, so I had to get up early in the morning, I had to run 5 kilometers every day for my fitness, right? And I had to drink half liter milk because my father was forcing for that, right? I had to follow the instruction of my school and coaching because I had to become a good teacher. I wanted to become a good teacher. I had a mission to become a good teacher. That's why I had to follow all the rules. I had to learn 20 words every day because my teachers were asking words. तो गाइज ऐसे ही आप भी प्रैक्टिस कराएंगे। आपके जितने दोस्त यार मित्र हैं उनके लिए ऐसे ही बोल बोल के प्रैक्टिस करिए। आई एम क्वाइट श्योर, आई एम 100% श्योर गाइज, यू विल स्पीक अ वेरी गुड इंग्लिश। सो गाइज, थैंक यू वेरी मच, गुड डे ऑल एंड टेक केयर ऑल, थैंक यू।